How prepared you are when the grid goes down or in the time of crisis. Live here at the JW Solar USA. Survival kit. Getting ready, getting prepared when the grid goes down or when something bad happens. Let's go inside and show you what I've already planned or what I've already put together. Little things, not everything that you need in the time of crisis. Stay tuned. Love you guys all. JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. First of all, you need a backup electricity, which I already put in place here. And guys, you can see is my system here. I have two systems and two Magnums, MS 4024 PAE, which are stackable or parallelable right here. And I have Outback power system of 48 volts, 3 kilowatts. And I have tons of battery, lithium battery, power wall, and more batteries filled in, or a lot of batteries in this box right here. So you got to have a power. You have to have a plan B. The grid goes down, you still survive. If you haven't seen the power, one of the videos when we have a big blackout, we already make some videos about it, and the big explosion, huge explosion happened at 0100 hours at one night, and I didn't even worry about it. So guys, this is what it is. This is plan B. You have to have power, and not just the power. You have to have another second backup system. Let me take you there, which is the most essential things, and which is the portable ones are 12 volt systems you can able to operate. You don't need optimum power. You don't need a lot of power just in time of a crisis. Let's say it's going to be all smoke or cloudy dust or ash. A lot of these things, the clouds go really dark and whatever. All 48 volt systems, 60 volts or whatever high voltage systems going to be having trouble, or smoke is going to be having trouble to produce electricity. So what do? You downgrade to 12 volt system. You route all your panels and bring them down because it's cloudy, it's smoky, and solar panels don't like smoke. When it's too smoke and really foggy and all that thing, and you're having so much problems. And let's say something happened, Doomsday. So let's go back and see. I'm not an expert of this, but this is already put in place. This is plan C. Plan C, you have to have all your little essential things that you're going to be getting into when the power goes down, or maybe in a time of crisis, whatever happened. Doomsday, nuclear attack, or whatever. Get your essential things. So what I did, I put a little digital television here, portable one, because since we are all into digital broadcast now, what's going to happen, guys, what I'm going to tell you, digital broadcast is not going to work. Okay, the way digital things goes, it takes a lot of bandwidth and it takes a high resolution, and there ain't going to be enough time, and signal is going to be really terrible. Maybe the towers already went down for HD. So what else going to happen? We're going to be converted to analog. The analog right there, they still have the analog thing in the television broadcast station. The transmitters are there, and radio, even radio repeaters, they still have the old system analog because it works the best. Analog is the best. So someone can say whatever they want to say is their opinion. I have my opinion as well because I know the difference analog and digital. Remember, we were into analog for so long. For example, 9/11, see what happened when the towers went down. The only company that was up running is Verizon because they were running analog and digital at that time. So analog, that's why they were the only phone company or service provider who were still up with the most signals. People were able to use their phones and do other things that they were doing. Analog right there. So you get a little TV, then you can able to get a tuner. And if you have kids, it has a DVD built in, then you can keep the kids in place because the kids going to go disoriented, they're going to be frustrated, they don't know what to do. And I can run that on a 12 volt system. Okay? because of that, I got some little rabbit here antenna I can able to manipulate here and do my thing to catch signal somewhere. If we decide even to leave the house, we can carry it with us. And here, this TV can go 12 volts because it's using a power adapter. I can able to make the adapter direct and plug it to the car, or carry my portable Sanyo lithium batteries with. And the second thing, because of this is running the AC/DC, I have a 400 watts Duracell power inverter, which I can able to run my stuff with. All these little guys here can go with everything. Okay, it can run it, and it's gonna run for a long time with a bigger lithium battery like the power wall I have for the Sanyo, the Volkswagen. Good. I can take that one and throw in the truck. There we go. And because of that, you're gonna say, JW boy, how are you gonna go about your lighting system? Your lighting system, yes. Oh, this is what it is. Ha! I have an old school, looks like an old school lamp here, like a kerosene lamp. Well, these lamps are really powered up by LED. Look at that, by a little tweak. There you go. Voila. Voila. See that? They're bright. They can sustain us for a very long time. And here you go. It's another one here. Look how bright it is. So this one can put out a lot of electricity. And it has a navigation compass right here. We can able to know our location, where we're heading to. If we go north, south, or east or west, we can tell us where we go. Likewise, this one here does it too. So it has a thing you can able to hang this on a tree, or maybe inside the house, or whatever, on the car. And this one again, it's just like those Aladdin lamp back in the day, and it has a mantle. Like they have the mantle that you have to pump that one. Like this one, you have to keep pumping it. So look at that. That's light. And look at this one, like a kerosene with a dimmer. It's light. Okay. And that comes the question now. Okay, JW, you can have this one running. Well, how long you gonna run this? You're gonna run out of power. Then you're gonna end up to the same scenario, or everyone is heading into. Okay. Check this out. I have a device here for rechargeable batteries. Okay, I can able to charge batteries, and you need flashlight. This one's gonna go AA battery, AAA battery, and a D cell battery, and a C cell battery. I can able to recharge, and even a 9-volt batteries. I can charge them. I got a rechargeable one. There goes again the Duracell right here. I can able to do that as well, and put the batteries and charge for all these lamps here. Okay, to charge them on a 12 volts, which since you use the AC, that's the adapter right there. And it tells you when the batteries are all charged, and that's Energizer. Okay, right there. And I have a Duracell for this one, charging all kind of batteries. Then the 12 on the 12 volt power inverter here, which made by Duracell. You still need these little things. And not over yet, I got a backup light here. So it's a magnet. You can stick this one. I can able to do something. Stick it on the metal. It's gonna hold it. Look at that. See how hold? You see how it picks up the flashlight? Look at that. Strong magnet. It picks it up. Picks it up. So, in case of emergency, we can able to dim or other thing. You get the SOS thing for emergency. We get stuck somewhere, and you know, people see that we can able to set a kind of parameter or something, whatever. So, and these are all gonna be using rechargeable batteries. This one is using a rechargeable batteries. It's a LED. Look at this. It's an old school flashlight, but it's not just the old school flashlight with a 3 LED bulb or lamp in there. So, and all gonna be charged with this one. So this one can take a lot of batteries you can charge in here. and this one can take about 4 batteries. I can overload the system, so I can able to go DC on this one, on other things. So guys, this is what I've done, and this is what I've prepared. Just a little preparation. And remember, not forgetting that we're gonna come to here. You're gonna need a radio broadcast, because and to check what whosoever is the leader of the free world, whatever he's gonna be saying, talking to the people. You don't just get all kind of radio FM. Like I told you, FM, frequency modulation, that stands for FM, and you have to have shortwave radio. Okay, so probably you can able to listen to other international channels for those of you who are overseas, like the BBC and British broadcast. And you have my radio here has all kind of different specification. If you look at that, it's a FM, it's a frequency modulation. I get a LW, which is a long wave, and MW, which is medium wave. In America, it's called AM, which is amplitude modulation, and you have the shortwave radio. So it has embedded a transmitter in here that can able to do a lot of stuff, and it can be programmed for all kind of stuff. So you can see it here, all the frequencies or whatever bands you can use. Sorry about the glare. And you can see the FM, the MW, the LW, and the SW. Frequency modulation, medium wave, long wave, short wave. I don't have an AM. The AM is still the MW, which is a medium wave. AM radios are amplitude modulation. They travel a very long range. So this is the radio. You might probably seen this before, and it has a telescopic antenna that you can able to do, and it's programmed with a lighting system. It has, okay, the other good thing about this radio, you have to know the time zones, the world time zone. So there you go, the UTC. So for us in Minnesota, we are sitting on the Chicago. We are on the Chicago. So mostly our thing is going to be -6. So when you, our time zone, so you see, you can see all other countries here. Moscow, Accra, which is Africa. You see all these other countries, Paris, and you can see Hong Kong and Sydney, which is Australia, and all the good stuff, guys. You just have to make sure you stay on top of the game. And the other thing, again, what is good about this radio, you can lock, after you already get the frequency, you can lock it. Even if you're trying to push the power here, it's not going to turn on. You have to release this button here. And I don't just want to push the radio. I don't want YouTube to flag me, but it's going to play right away. See that? So it comes with digital, and that's what it is, guys. And the other good thing about it, again, you can have your first broadcast from whosoever be the president of the free world, saying, I'm gonna put a cassette tape into this and record it for me to save it for the future, that I can able to share with my kids or friends. That first broadcast, I can able to record it on a cassette tape. So these are all the other stuff I can witness, and we can able to replay it for other people who don't even have the opportunity to see or to hear what the leader of the free world was saying at that time. They missed it. Then I can able to rebroadcast that by playing it for them, so that everybody can hear it, because I have the opportunity. So this is how I've come to prepare a little bit. Not everything I've shown you. It doesn't come with any tactical things like knives or guns or whatever, because you're going to be having protection. Someone probably can rage into you and just like trying to take everything that you have, you and your kids or you and your family, and you are in trouble. You just like they're having a safe haven, and they just come and just say, get out of here, we're taking over. So, and give me your panels or whatever. So even this, I have a little flexible solar panels that are gonna incorporate with that, with the 12-volt system. Guys, this is what it is, and this is how I just set up a little preamble, guys, to show you how you have to get ready. You don't have to get too much stuff, guys. Don't get too much. Don't get abundant, because when things are too much, you cannot able to navigate with that. You can't able to take them. You can't even run with them. You can't even move from one location to the other, because it's gonna come. There's no energy. You're losing your energy, so you're gonna be really tired. And carrying a lamp like that will be a pain for you. So guys, these are all portable things. I can able to put all these things here in a backpack. I can able to put all these in a backpack, excluding the TV, but the radio, cassette radio, stereo, with all these can go into one backpack. It's gone. And the power wall, which is this battery here, is set up in a 24 volts. Right now, 4 batteries in 12 volts, 4 batteries in 12 volts, 24 volts is a lot of amp hours here. If I put them all in 12 volts, this is a 300 amp hours right now in 24 volts. If I put it all together, it's 600 amp hours. I can take this and put it on my shoulder, and there we go, throw in the truck, back of the truck or whatever, take my portable flexible solar panels and put into any charge controller, like a Midnight Solar Kid charge controller, and there you go, guys. You're on business. So you can able to throw a 500 watt solar on that baby, and you can just do your thing, because the Midnight Kid doesn't take that much on 12 volts. And since you have a flexible solar panels, they're foldable, bendable, then you can just able to put them on top of your van or whatever you're doing, and you pull up to woods or somewhere else. You guys like camping there and do whatever you want to do. This is what I have for you guys today, live here at JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. This is just a little setup, and some people think probably I left a lot of stuff and water and salt or whatever food you get to prepare. I didn't get to that point. Just how you get up in a portable way, how you can get your communication. And don't forget to have your little laptop, whatever it is. You need that, because if you end up having, maybe the tower's already down that time, but anyway, you see, you can able to use that as a camera, because as a hard drive, bigger hard drive camera, you can able to video. And the good thing about this is a kind of tablet as well. When pushing this stuff here, pushing this button right here, it detached. This is just a keyboard, you know, Bluetooth, and now it becomes a tablet. So that makes it really portable, working with it and videoing whatever I can video and make some documentary. So this is what it is, guys, and live from Minnesota here with the JW Solar USA. This is all I've put together for you guys. Just portable things, not too much weight, but this is what it is. I hope this one makes sense, and I know you guys have a lot of things to talk about, or maybe you have your own opinion. Your preparation is different from my own preparation. Your family size is different from my own family size. Your priorities are different from my own priorities. But this is what I already put in place for just a little gadgets, a little electronics, all DC. I can able to run that. These tablets can run into DC. I can charge into DC and everything. Tell me what you think. If this one makes sense to you or it's really helpful. If you haven't geared up yet, you haven't prepared yet, please do. Don't wait for the last minute. Bye for now.